No road no there so again. Every boat have to should be in right up on the iron there.
Yes.
Because water when they above the iron. So you would have lick up right on it and you would have made good at that. Nobody may see him. Ain't good enough? No vehicle couldn't pass here, so no people. Eh?
Fish already are in no line.
I went on no line.
Oh.
Yeah, man. This time here, no?
Yes, spot. Hold him. He can't get away. Yes, me peeps, come with him, pot. Akiki got on me. Akiki got on me. You get knocked.
Yes, my people, welcome back again. Yeah, today is a sunny day. Give thanks and praise. The storm is over. The storm is over now. I can see the sunshine.
Wait, oh, you catch the shot, man.
Yes, my people.
Yeah, man, you catch the shot, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know. We are reunite back here now because everybody can come out here now. Yeah, man, so ready and ready.
In the funny way, you both come cross the river.
Oh, I see shark. I see shark man can't cross the Kujag and cross one river people. What the hell? One no road there, they're going to water.
You go test the first. You know so food.
So, we come and look what going on the river here. You see the rope there? Boy be a turn fool himself, boy, and go swing off a rope. Swing off a bridge. Yeah, man.
Man believe that he was a hero.
Eh?
Man believe that he was a hero.
Yeah, man. You know, the reason why I can't even do quarrel or cuss. Me and a boy one time.
Yeah, man. Boys will be boys.
And
when it comes to toys.
Ants.
Red ants, black ants.
And enough people don't understand. Boy will always be boy. No matter, yes, they're rude, but boy will always be boy. Talk to you. Because enough badness we do when we are boy.
Me not say maybe he could have jumped off to you and swim out around this.
No, he couldn't. I show you make he couldn't.
He not go on there. Me know, man.
You see that iron there? See water drop there now. You see that iron?
Oh!
You see that sharp iron there? You see iron set?
Yes.
He would have lick right up on the iron there.
Yes.
Because water when they above the iron. So he would have lick up right on it. And he would have made good as all. Kill him, knock him out or something. He couldn't go unless the force of water would have suck him down. You understand? And yes. And it have go hard for having knowledge in the man because guess what? You see look. From this to this with the force of water. By him to drop off, in the reach down this already, No,
but I jump off, you get
alright. Because the force of water, but me just glad everything work out. Yeah, man. Sharp man. I want to tell you, say, I left out a yard in me. I reach right gate, I say, say, I go down the river, go do one little video, And I bought my left foot, because I always tell you, say, when I bought my left foot, a good luck. But me not see no good luck in that, still, even though,
yes.
You understand? But, when me go a shop now and I walk up, me see boy them way out the road I walk a come. So when me reach here so, them reach up on the hill up there so. And by me there and start doing recording. They come and then hold on pan the, they pull the rope off of the iron, Off of the iron there so, So me say, boy, oh, can me check say over there when you want to go. Because they fan and reach there so they might talk about jump off the rope, Why, brother, me just, cause first of all, he tree wet. Him hard to go over it. If he even manage to hold on pan hard to go over it. And then one hell fi come down out of the tree. Look on the size of the tree root.
No man, he have to come as a control.
Eh? You don't have to come here as a jump off.
Eh? You have to come as a jump off.
Boy, I tell you. Jano.
No. He could have followed this so.
And go away.
And go this so.
Hey, if me ain't done your DNG, him there, man. I tell you how me predict everything would happen. He fall in a difficulty. Them try to help him. And we end up this morning, all the whole community and moon can't find them. And that would happen, you know. Because they not going to make them friend.
So,
They see them friend in a difficulty and not try to help him. Though. That would happen.
but him have a wise knowledge still, you know. When he try to climb, go up, you know. Because he couldn't turn on the rope down here, so. When he go by chain, he go up.
Hey, but look on the rope. The rope waiting and he climbing fast. Hey,
Yeah,
we
man,
say
they have. You see chain? The chain could have balance him. He could have hold on good for the chain.
when he reach up by chain, I see him leg on one hand and flash in, brother.
They're no more tired.
Two hand upon him, you know. We tell you something, man.
So he's going to go by chain. He better for him.
But I rope.
I get know.
Eh?
You say when he go by chain, why is thinking no? We don't know if he mean I think that night no. When he go by chain and hook this up, a rope can get to church. Because if him down this up, then couldn't church the rope. You see how he get
But
it,
no,
it,
I have to tell him to
What
do
do you
it. Because, brother, I don't even know what he say. Because everything happens so fast and... I don't see me, I didn't laugh, you know, brother. Me I laugh because... you know. But... one don't know how he slide up on the wet rope or that. Hey, boy, they can't turn soldier, you know. If it be soldier, can climb good, man.
can climb good.
Yes,
That's
man.
what I say. Boy can't climb, man.
Hey, Damian, when the little man see say, you know, dead, you know, brother, and he go lie down in a drain, in a water run, you know.
You know, you see, man.
Jaja God.
Man, yes, brother.
Yeah, man. So, people, so as you know, can see river draw down. Yeah, man, because...
You can cook out tomorrow.
Yes, a cookout can go on tomorrow.
Yeah, man. So,
But no,
listen, do you know?
no bathing in the river.
No, baby.
No bathing allowed. Until few days later.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But cooking can go on.
Yeah, man. People we here say down Milk River bath flood out, so we are good on that way there. As me say in a first video, now, people, I keep on up to date what go on with the weather. Yeah, man. So we are going to make a little short meet up with Yanji. And we are going down for a bath and we end up down on the beach. Go see what go on the beach same way. So we just stick and stay, subscribe, share, and like. Yeah, man. Catch me on the journey going down. Up here, say, you know? River come up here, so, man. The beam out. Jar down back quick, though. Where Molly there? Where Molly there? Come and go on for a bite, no?
Yeah, I'm only there, bro.
So nobody may see him. Ain't good, you know? Ain't good. The find out Molly people. Ain't good. How you see there, man? What I left him?
Wash him off.
What you mean? Wash him off the Angie. You find salting people. Yeah. And the man says, see one mullet. Then me I look at me and say, which part that the mullet there? To the people, water come from out the hill. What are them? No vehicle couldn't pass here, so no people. Eh?
Fish already are in no line.
I went on online. Who see so?
Yeah, man, who see so? Mullet. People, mullet. I don't think we jump out.
No.
Oh, yeah, look at what we did.
I look how tall the water did there. All of here some people and cover off with water road. No vehicle couldn't pass. Yeah, man, so you don't know a previous update on the weather. Now we're having a beautiful sunny day. Yeah. Part of the road cut off here, so. Yeah. And fish flick out the water, we get salting. Yeah, so this is the Milk River bath. Milk River. Yeah, not the bath. Milk River. This is the Milk River, people. Yeah, man. So all of the water coming from Mapen, Scott Pass, Four Pass, Osborne Store, Manchester. Yeah, man. Yeah, so that end up, you know. Yes, my people. So we are going to move on to down by the Milk River Bath and see what go on down there. Yeah, man, as you can see the road muddy. You say you have to use gun, DNG.
God provide.
God always
God
provide.
is good.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good.
Yeah, man, you see, up on road, God provide money for you.
Yes, people, so we are move on again to our next stop. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man, it force our water. So it river heavy. You swim go up so. Enough of them good as well up there, you know, right now. Fish up there, you know.
Yeah,
Fish good as up there right now. Eh? Yeah, man, but actually water dirty. I wonder if no crab are going to run.
Oh, I didn't say we're going to go tonight.
I want some crab, you know.
We're going to go tonight, man.
That one need to pass.
Yes, muddy. Water jar down here so too. You know, say fish good as over this right now. One time we go over this, you know. Well, after I flood, you know, I go chop ridge, you know. Yeah, man, me a dog on. Say water jar down here so people. Yeah, man, water jar. See which part the water when they up on the wall, listen. You see it? I hold for water in the on the road here, man.
Yeah, man.
Hold it for water. If we don't pass us, we hold a cover, you know? Hold a wood and cover. Oh, God. Yeah, they must have clean. Yeah, man, they must have clean up over back, you know. Yeah, man. This part the water mark, they show people the water mark. See there? On the fence. Water mark there on the fence there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So oh, you know, full. You know, John, man. You know, John.
The water go right there.
See river there, people. Yeah, man.
You don't say right in this no fish.
Right now, fish good as a bite line, you know.
Right in this no.
Yeah, man. You know?
Yeah, man.
Fish good as a bite line right now.
Right in that part.
So we are going down on the beach and now, my people. Yeah, man. Go see what I go down on the beach, because we know all I boat them supposed to push up in the land. Right now, if we're hungry, we can roast it. The people. River Brown. Yeah, man, the whole of them place are flood off yesterday. The whole of them place are. They said the NG top say if you see no fish in our water, you some people. Don't go look if actually you must sink. You must sink. You not go right the NG, see you sink.
But the fish even you can't see the NG.
Because water dirty. In a place where full of water people. All of Faka people. All the people down on the beach down at Faka. They couldn't come out, they lock in. And one way in, you know, people, and one way out. Yeah, man, the fishing village are one way in, one way out. So when river come down and lock off up here, so they can who out, stay out. Who in, stay in. Yeah, man.
Unless they travel them vehicle.
Eh?
Unless they travel them vehicle and walk through hill.
Yeah, they back road they can walk through, but they can't drive. Like river. Eh? You see, it look like a river. You see a school out the khaki color. Yes, my people, so we're up on the beach now. No road no this again, no day, man. No, sir. No road no there, sir, again. Every boat have to should be in. So you see, got this. Gotcha. Ah, good. And so after I see job back, man. After I see job back. Watch the people. Jaja God. Yeah. Don't know. So I don't know what that means, don't it? Yeah. Yes, my people there on the beach I check up what I go on, you know? Yeah, man. Why? I'm sorry for them. Cause see they see you see come way in a land and then I know if you push up boat again. Eh? Yes, a road we know people, yeah, road this I know. Asphalt road, you know. And you see just take you over. I tell you. No see if you know my people. Can't go fishing and see if you know.
Can't go through a line, man.
Eh?
Can't go through a line.
Yeah, you can go through a line. But no diving.
No, sir.
And no fisherman good as lose all them pot and all them sitting there. You know the yeah, man, we pop pot gone, man, in the weather here. So you see fisherman suffer when weather come in. Because I don't see nobody carrying no pot, I don't see no pot on the seaside. Eh? Yeah, man. Yes, my people. This is going on Faka Beach. Well, the greatest thing now, only for debris, wash up. And like I tell you, look up there, so. Yeah, up there, so turn bad. Go for debris, wash out up there, so. Bongo can't drive come my business place again, I have to park way up there, so. Oh, no road, no there, so.
Yeah, I'm going to make barrier, you know.
Eh? A bongo are going to make barrier look like. You have to drop the barrier them way out there so do. And full them a concrete. Or stone or something.
You can't use no sun, guys, and magic plant.
The best idea you ever come up with, you need more tire though. Yeah man, a good idea is to make some good barrier. Because I see I take away the whole island. Yeah man. But that's some big boulder they for use and make a barrier and so what you call it? Like what they do up a basket. Full basket. Basket the name?
Yeah,
But you want some?
Yeah man, you want some to black her. Yeah man.
Wash.
Yes my people, I eat that man. So we just run through and watch and check out what go on in our area, you know. Yeah man, I'm going to like update. So bless up on yourself and thank you all for watching. Yeah man. Eh? Where you going, Bougie? You going to where? Eh? Where you say I'm going to man?
Palangasi.
I don't know, like, no, man, I'll be at up Palanca already, you know. Hmm? Eh?
You know, I there, so I look smart if you should have. You look at Shubab.
So, Bougie, I push off you want. So, alright, my people, bless up on yourself until then. Yeah, man, catch you on our next adventure, you know. Yeah, man. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, man.